Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are exploring a design element that is sleek, functional, and effortlessly modern: metal awnings. While wooden awnings charm with warmth and texture, metal awnings speak the language of precision, durability, and architectural sophistication. They are more than weather shields. They are design statements that define the lines and character of your home. Let's dive into how metal awnings can reshape your exterior spaces, combining elegance, strength, and long-term performance. The beauty of metal awnings lies in its dual nature: strong and subtle, industrial yet refined. Unlike wood, which evolves with time, metal stands its ground. It resists warping, cracking, and decay, making it low maintenance solution for any climate. Whether you live in a sun-soaked region or one prone to heavy rain, a metal awning holds its shape and shade perfectly, and when designed well, it can elevate a facade, turning a simple window or doorway into a visually striking focal point. This isn't about cold hard steel. It is about balance, form meeting function with quiet confidence. Different metals create different modes. Aluminium brings lightness and resistance to rust, perfect for coastal or humid climates. Steel adds heft and boldness, ideal for modern, industrial, or urban aesthetics. Copper and zinc, with their natural patina, introduce a living surface that changes over time, adding texture and character. Each material tells its own story. Some remain polished and minimal, others age into rich, earthy tones. That's the subtle poetry of metal: permanence with evolution. Metal opens a world of precision in design because it is strong yet moldable. It allows for clean lines, bold angles, and creative structures that could be impossible in wood. A flat, cantilevered awning creates an ultra-modern floating effect. Curved or arched forms brings softness and fluidity to rigid facades. Layered metal panels can filter sunlight dynamically, producing ever-shifting patterns of light and shadow. Metal doesn't just provide shade, it sculpts light itself. One of the greatest strengths of metal awnings is its architectural clarity. It sharpens the visual profile of a building. When aligned with windows or doors, it draws the eye horizontally, expanding the perception of space. Metal complements each modern architecture beautifully, especially glass, concrete, and stone. The contrast between reflective metal and matte surfaces creates depth and drama. Even in traditional homes, a simple metal awning can introduce a refreshing edge, a touch of contemporary energy that doesn't overpower the overall design. You think metal means monochrome, but that is far from true. Powder coating and modern finishes have opened up endless aesthetic options. You can go for matte black for an industrial tone, brushed silver for minimalism, or deep browns for warmth. Perforated or laser cut panels allow both ventilation and artistry. Light passes through in intricate patterns, adding an element of visual play. Textures matters too. Ribbed, corrugated or smooth finishes all change how the surface interacts with the light and the rain. The right choice turns utility into elegance. Metal awnings aren't just decorative, they are highly functional. They reduce solar heat gain, protect windows and doors from weathering, and can even redirect rainwater efficiently. In commercial settings, they double as signage supports or accent features. In homes, they create transition spaces, small sheltered zones where you can pause between indoors and outdoors. The best designs don't just look good, they work smart, offering protection, sustainability, and thermal comfort. You might not think of metal as emotional, but it is when shaped with purpose. There is beauty in its discipline, in its ability to hold light with precision and permanence. A well-designed metal awning brings a quiet strength to your home. Not loud, not ornate, but undeniably confident. It is a design that says, "I'm built to last." Thanks for watching. If this exploration of metal awning ideas inspired you, hit the like button and subscribe, and drop a comment below. Would you prefer the raw industrial look or something more refined and architectural? So until next time, happy decorating.